Hi there, here we have the 2015 on a 65 plate VAUXHALL ZAFIRA. This is the 1.4 SRI 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. Okay, so starting off with the front, as you can see it does have the front parking sensors. So the front bumper is in great condition. As you can see, moving onto the bonnet, nice and clean, so there is no chips, no dents. Alloys are also nice and clean all around. Just to confirm, this is a one lady owner from new with great service history. So Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale as well. So moving on at the back, as you can see, it does also have the back sensors. So obviously these activate once the car is put in reverse. And then the back bumper, as you saw there as well, no scuffs, no scratches. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover. So that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend. Obviously more as a peace of mind than anything. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, even over the phone, we can give you more options. So you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior. Let's jump inside the car and show you the interior as well. So starting off with the front passenger door, as you can see, nice and clean, so there is no scratches on the door, nothing untoward. It does have the electric windows as well. Dash is also nice and clean, as you can see there. So it does have the DAB radio, and well, I'll go through that once I go through the driver's side. I'll show you all the controls. Seats are also nice and clean as well, so the car's been fully valeted by us. Right, moving on at the back, as you can see, it does have the privacy glass. Obviously a nice extra if there is children at the back, obviously being the family car. It does also have the electric rear windows. Seats at the back as well, nice and clean, there is no tears on the back seats. As you can see there, it does have the ISOFIX as well, so once again, nice safety point for the children. And then as you can see just at the back, it does also have the 2 seats. So this car is a 7-seater. And as you can see there, it does have both seats at the back as well. Alright, so let's have a look at the boot space with the seats up. So this is the amount of boot space you get with the seats up. So not as much as you would obviously once they are down. However, it is still enough space. And then if you want to put the seats down, you see this lever here, you just push that and then push the seat down. Very nice and simple. So I am doing this literally with one hand just to show how easy it is. And then obviously this carpet does extend out like that, and there we go. We also have the boot space. Does also have the roof rails. Just before we go over to the driver's side, let's show you the back once more. So obviously, as you can see there, the electric windows, as I mentioned. Right, so as you can see, that seat is pulled a bit forward compared to all the others, but that's basically that can be pushed right back, so it matches all the others as well. And then once again, as I mentioned, the ISOFIX. And then obviously we can go to the back. And as you can see there, the boot space, when the seats are folded in, it does give them much more boot space, and you can fit a lot more stuff in there. Right, so driver's side door now. As we can see there, it does have the electric front and rear windows. So these are the controls. Door mirrors are also electrical adjustments, so you can adjust your electric windows as well. Down below here we have your lights. So obviously this is how your lights are turned on, and then you have your front and rear fog lights as well, just down there. It does have the multifunctional leather steering wheel. So as you can see, the steering wheel is in nice condition. It does also have the cruise control, the DAB radio, and then also you do have the aircon as well down below. So just here there is the parking sensors, so if you want them to be activated, say for example you are reversing and you know they are actually putting you off and annoying you, then you can actually turn them off completely. And then also down here is the traction control as well. So what I'll do is I will go through the screen with you so that you can see what's available. So obviously there is the DAB radio, AM and FM as well. It does also have the CD player, so as you can see there is the insert for the CD just there where my finger was. Aux as well, so you can actually connect your phone. There is, if you just pull this down, as you can see, is the 12 volts, the aux input, and then the USB as well. So that's down there. And then if we go onto config, so that's basically onto the settings. So let's have a look. If we scroll down, as you can see there, it says the phone settings, device list, and then if you want a pair device, you press the pair device, and then it will automatically find your phone. And then once it finds your phone, you just press the pair button, and then that is literally it. That's as simple as that. So then obviously we can go back onto your radio. So it does have the storage here, so this is actually a bit of a secret, let's say. So not a lot of people know about this, but underneath, if you put your finger just underneath there, this does actually open. And as you can see, the locking owner and also the owner's manual. And then down below you've got the glove compartment as normal. However, this bit, not a lot of people know about it. They probably think it's, it's an airbag or whatever. So nice little safety there as well. Obviously, if you wanted to hide something, let's say, then you can actually do that. So it does also have the leather front armrest, so in great condition. There is nothing, on the leather. It is nice and clean. Down below, it does also have the cup holders. Right, so you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior and interior of the car. If there is any questions on the vehicle, or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, or even over the phone, we can give you more options on the finance. Or if there is any questions, we'll be more than happy to answer them. Alright, thanks for watching.